So I have seen people manually uploading to WordPress their SEO blog articles. So how to automate your workflow? So the first thing what you want to do is go into the AI SEO Writer. So by the way, the link will be in the description. You can book a free one-on-one call with me to set up your free SEO blog automation for completely free. Now, what you want to do is go log in into your AI dashboard, and here what you want to do is go into the blog automation, and here click on integrations, and once you do that, click on create new integration, select your preferred domain hoster. So example, in my case, I'm using WordPress, so I'm just going to go here, click on WordPress plugin, and here you want to click on the download plugin, and you have to download the plugin. Once you download the plugin, what you want to do is go and navigate into the WordPress account. All right, I have successfully navigated to my WordPress account. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the plugins, and once you go into the plugins, see here you have to click on add plugin. Now once you click on add plugin, it's just going to ask you to upload a plugin. Click on upload a plugin, and here you choose the file which you have downloaded from our and upload it right here. Don't worry, it's safe, totally safe. We are SEO marketers, designed, the tool is designed by popular SEO marketers. So what I'm going to do is so once you upload it, under the settings you will see something called URL. So click on the URL. So here you will find the secret key, and everything is set up right here. Click on connect. It will be connected. It will ask you the log details, and once you click successfully connect, it will show you the domain right here. Now once the domain shows up here, you want to click on the domain, and you can customize it and go to the settings. You can also delete, or you can change the name or put any name, whatever you want. Well, once you do that, go to the campaigns, and you can start the campaign right here. So if I show you how the campaign looks like, so this is the domain automation which I've connected. Now you can see all these articles are written by Arval. So we have the full automation mode right here. I have enabled the auto blogging, and we have got the full automation mode. Now if I show you the modes, we have the full automation mode, which is everything on autopilot. You don't even need to go into the WordPress. It writes the article, generates the article, and then it publishes automatically. And then we have got the planned automation mode, which is it creates SEO keywords. We have to choose the inputs manually, and it will handle the rest by generating the article to publishing. You just have to put the manual keywords. And then we have got automation with review. It finds the feed and it generates the article, but you need to publish by going to your WordPress or AI SEO Writer. So that's that. So I'll just put it in a full automation mode, and that's that. And I can also change the interval. So here you can see I want the articles to be produced every day and every 6 hours, but number of articles per day is 1, and we can go up to how many articles should be generated each time. So we can set up this, and a random time that is added to the interval, useful to add some randomness to this. If you're writing more than 1 article per day, then include the randomness thing, but otherwise it doesn't, it's not much of a use. And click on save changes, and that's it, you're done. So this is how you stop manual uploading to the WordPress and how you automate your workflow, the SEO, pure SEO automation.